Hello friends, this is Samir Shah from Pro Detail. Today we are going to adorn this uber cool HyRyder from Toyota. Today we are at our Seager Road studio and we are going to adorn protection to this uber cool new hybrid version of the HyRyder from Toyota. What we are going to do on this car is there are some 14 parts which are more vulnerable towards scratching, like this bumper corner, this mirror, then you have the handle pockets and the full door edge. These parts we are going to adorn it with a paint protection film which will help it save from many scratches and dents. And the whole car we are going to protect it with a graphene coating which has a 5-year plus of life. Important thing that we need to do is check the paint's thickness before we start any kind of rubbing or compounding process. What we do is we use a paint meter for that. This paint meter tells us what is the thickness of the paint currently there in microns. So when we put this here, it will tell us, say for example this surface it is 166 microns. If we go to the top, generally it is a little lesser. It will be a little lesser. Yeah, it's about 116 microns. Now when we start doing the compounding, this is very important to understand that how much compounding we can do, and that we take a distant basis what is the micron on the car right now. Now we'll explain you which parts of the car will be covering with a paint protection film on this pictorial. Now if you can see the bumper corner of this car, this part is the most vulnerable in scratching. There are 4 bumper corners, then we got 4 full door edges. These also get damaged while opening the doors, and then there are the handle pockets where you get nail marks, and the mirrors which gets dashed with other car mirrors or bikers come and dash with it. So these are the parts that we are going to cover through the hybrid solution. understand how was your experience with the dealing with Pro Retail.
Okay, cool. So the overall interaction went well. I think Samir has given me a good brief on all the options available packages. I think they have done a very good job. I can see that. Now only the thing is, this should remain under the warranty period good for so much of long time. That is what I would expect. Thank you.
Thank
very
you.
much, sir.
Thank you so much.